Okay, guys, welcome back. I got too much into talking and didn't finish my video, so this will be the last bit. There's not too much more to show you. Okay, so what I had already done in my last video is I showed you the last thing was doing the title here. And one thing I found out, because I'm still learning some of these things and the ins and outs of Google, the Google Suite, is when I wanted to change as my title, I went from the theme default and I just clicked Arial. It's the same font. But then also same, I took auto off for the font size and changed it to 18. And that's how I made my model of paper plane, my title here bigger, my label. Same with this. And what I was also saying is if any part of the graph you click on, you can change. It comes up with the customize part. So I did the same with my horizontal axis labels, the font and size. There's lots of other things you can put here, and most of these are really good, like even wide or something. Any of those are fine to use. When you're actually doing your assignment, just be careful with some of the really pretty scripts because they're harder to read. So it's not necessarily about making it pretty, it's just about, just making it clear. Hey, I got a cat visiting me. All right, the other thing I did, you might notice this is a different color, is I changed my column to a different color, but I also made it a little bit opaque so you can see through it. And I did that because now you can see those lines behind it as well. I mean, that's something, you don't have to do that. I'm just showing you how to edit this. So basically, I've played around, I've edited on here. I've put in my table. Oh, that's where I made them bigger. Whoops. Anyway, I edited this, copied this from my my document over here. You can see up this tab. And, oh, I've got two new values, so I'm going to copy. You know what? Let's just make this all, should be, I like size 12. Okay, everything's size 12 font, so I'm going to copy this and go back to my document now. So let's have a look at this document. Now, that's the one without my new averages. So if I go V, it'll just paste my edited version over the top. You'll see this thing here. That's fine. I'm going to leave that. And you'll see down here the graph that I edited. If I click on it and go to the top corner, link chart options, if I click on it, it should update it. Oh, maybe, sorry. See, I'm glad. I'm making mistakes to show you. Go here, go save, Control S or File. Oh, okay, it just saved it anyway. Now go back and maybe click the update, the reload button, see if that fixes it. I'm just trying to remember how to do things. Nope, that didn't change it either. Maybe because I deleted it. Okay, well, I'm going to have to unlink this. And then I'm going to delete it. And now I'm going to insert my graph from here. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's go insert chart. Get good practice at this. From sheets, because I've already made it. Now, this will be basically in my Google Docs. So if I look here, my spreadsheets, these are like shared with me or recent. How to graph on Google Docs, that's the one I want in there. So select. And it notices that's my chart. I have to select it. If I don't, there's no import. So click this, go import. There's my graph. I can't edit anything on here. I have to go to the source. I don't even have, I can just do it here. So for example, if I want that to be bold, I can do that. If I want it to be bigger, title, let's make it 20, that bit bigger. I can do that too. And then if I go back to this Google Docs, you'll notice it recognized that I changed it and it will go update, and I can update that too. So that has me inserted my graph. So far, most of my report is, the big difficult bits of my report is now in there, okay? You just need to make sure you know how to insert your graph from sheets. And you should all be able, year 7, you're actually given this table template, so you should use it. Year 8, you have to design your own, but you could probably think about what you're changing, your independent variable, your dependent variable, and you can make your own one up. Okay, lots of hints I'm giving you guys, but now that's a full mark graph. You can't plot things wrong when you get the computer to do it for you. And this is a really good skill, so make sure you have a go at it. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it.